When planning out where to put the filter, there are two main aspects to think about: the functionality and then the aesthetics. So let's go with the functionality. First thing you need to consider is that you're going to need to take off the top. This is so that you can replace the filter. The other thing too is, where is a filter feeder pipe going to come from? How is the water going to get into the filter? The next thing is, what's the path for the feeder header pipe? This is a pipe that's going to be going out to the header pipe. What route is that going to take? One of the most common things that we have done is we take the shortest path from the diversion area to the outside wall. And that's where the filter is going to go. Now that we're on the outside, now it's all about aesthetics. Some customers' houses are set up to where the filter is not seen from the street, while others it's in plain sight, and they don't want the filter to be seen from the street. Because of this, we've come up with some pretty creative ways of camouflaging it. We've hid them behind rocks. Sometimes we just planted a shrub right in front of it. We have one filter that looks like a planter. It actually has a living plant on top of it. Other times we used our sump pump configuration. This whole unit sits underground, and there is a pump that pumps the water up and then out, and once it comes out, it's all gravity flow from there. Another issue to consider is it going to be tampered with? Some people put it on shelves, and we also have some filters that have a screw on top. These are tamper-proof filters. There are many different configurations for filters. All you need to do is decide on your situation. Look at our video for filters, where we go through a lot of the types that we have used in the past, and then decide on which one you want to use. Watch our installation videos, and you'll see the different configurations that we have used. And as always, you can give us a call, and we can help you out as well. All right, we'll see you on the next video.